Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. Apply cotton pads with blackhead export solution to the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. Remove the caps from bottles A, B, and C, and pour in the specific hydrofacial solution or pure water. Secure the caps back on the bottles and reattach them to the main machine. Rotate the hydrofacial flow control knob to adjust the water flow. Tap the Start/Pause button to begin. Begin treatment at the chin area, treating 2 to 3 spots before connecting them in a line. Repeat this process for other facial areas. Apply additional treatment on the nose using circular motions. During the operation, wipe the treated area with a damp cotton pad. Empty the wastewater bottle. Clean, self-cleaning in the hose. Fill the clean water bottle with clean water. Replace the treatment tip with the sealing tip. Inspect the status of the bottles on the back of the main machine, then press the Clean button on the panel to clean the handle. Empty the wastewater bottle. Adjust the mist level by rotating the knob located at the end of the spray handle. Tap the Start/Pause button to begin. Glide the handle from the chin to the earlobe, from the corner of the mouth to the middle of the ear, from the nose to the temple, and from the eyebrow to the hairline. Repeat on the other side. Cleanse face with a washcloth. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, serum, eye cream, and facial cream.